Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. How are you all? I hope that everyone is cool and you can hear me. Just let me know if you can hear me or not, if everything is okay. Okay, just a second, I need to fix something. I was fasting today actually, so I am a little late. Loud and clear, you can hear me. Okay, thank you guys for letting me know that. I need to know first your direction. What is your direction actually? What is your direction? So yesterday I started my stream with something I told. I believe that some of you has remembered that. I told that before opening my chart. First I tell myself what I'm gonna expect. So today also I'm gonna tell you the same thing. Today's Tuesday. So in Tuesday, basically how do I start my day? By thinking. What is my thinking at the beginning? My thinking is today's manipulation day. So Monday candle is my manipulated candle. So I am gonna expect that market is going to take both buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity from Monday high and low. As Monday candle has taken the Friday high, so I'm not expecting that market is going to take the Monday high today. Instead of that, I would love to see the fall from maybe some kind of fair value gap or anything from anywhere. It is going to fall for the Monday low. Yeah, for Monday low, it is going to fall. That is my expectation for at the beginning. From daily chart, you can see that I have some kind of volume balance here and here as well. So I'm gonna thinking that market is going higher first to trade some kind of area, maybe the 50% of that week from daily candle. Then it will fall for the Monday low. If it is overzealous, then it can go for the Friday low. I am not expecting market is going to take that Friday low, but it can do that. There is nothing wrong. So that is my first expectation from daily chart. From hourly chart, you can see this is the hourly chart, and here I have this hourly fair value gap, a very small fair value gap over there. Let me mark it. So from the hourly chart here, I have a fair value gap. I will keep looking this fair value gap, and I would love to see that market will reverse from this hourly fair value gap. So I'll keep it in my chart, though you don't need it. But as I'm going from the beginning from the daily chart, so I'm gonna explain this hourly chart as well. As market has been reversed from this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I will talk about this one when I will be in 15-minute chart. Right now I'm thinking this hourly fair value gap is gonna hold the price. At the same time, I would love to see market is going to reach at least until the 50% of that hourly fair value gap. As you can see, market has been reversed from the low of that hourly fair value gap. So yep, I am just thinking that market will go at least until this hourly fair value gap constant crossband, then market will fall. So what is my bias today? Bias is both buy long bias and short bias. First I will expect long bias, then I will expect short bias. Over here, if you see this candle week, I would love to mark the 50% of that week. So over there, market tapped this 50% of that week. This week is also important from 15-minute chart. So I'm just showing you from hourly chart, just an idea. I'm giving you an idea. Market is until this constant crossment of that week. Why this week is important? Because this week has taken all of these lows. Look at all of these lows. It has been taken by that week, traded that fair value gap. So the 50% of that week is important for me. I would love to see that market will reverse from that constant crossment of that week. Then it will go higher for some kind of fair value gap or something. Okay. As I told, this is the Monday high. So it should do the manipulation today, as this high has taken that high, Friday high. So I'm not expecting that market is going to take that extreme high today. I'm not thinking like that way. Yeah, it can trade until the 50% of that week, which I'm going to mark from hourly chart. It can reach until this week 50%. At the same time, you can see that this 50% is actually the low of that 50-minute fair value gap. So yeah, I am not gonna keep it on my chart, but you will remember that 50% is actually the low of that 50-minute last fair value gap. So yeah, it can reach until this 50% of that week before falling. Until those area, if it is broken, then my next target will be this low. After reaching over there, I will change my bias. I will start to look for sell. From 15-minute chart, you can see this is relatively equal highs. When this highs has made over there, around, I mean, these highs, okay, this is the highs which has made around the London session, not exactly in the London session, but around the London session, it has made that highs over there. So then market reached until that area one more time. I am bullish until those highs. Then I will see how this hourly fair value gap is gonna be broken. If it is broken, then I will expect market will reach until this low. At the same time, I have this 15-minute last fair value gap. I'll see when it will reach over there. I will start to look for sell again. If it is broken until this area, I'll be bullish. Can it fall from there? No, it can't fall from there. It has to take the liquidity. All of these relatively equal highs should be taken. So if I mark this one, this is my first buy side liquidity which should be taken. So when this will be taken, I will get my higher manipulation. I'll get over there. After getting that manipulation, I will expect that market is going to fall. Now I'm going to remove this 50% of the week, hourly week from this area. Instead of that, I would love to mark this week from 15-minute chart, as 15-minute chart is my bellwether. Okay, to be honest, it's my bellwether. You can see market never reached until the 50% of that week. What is that mean? That means market is extremely bullish because it failed even reach until this 50% of that week. So it was bullish. If anyone was over there and was trying to trade, they should look for the buy when market was above this new week opening gap. When market was this new week opening gap, they should look for the buy. When market came here, I would love to mark this one from 15-minute chart, this low and that low, though it has taken over there by a shallow run, but this is gonna be my next sell side liquidity. That means the manipulation sell side liquidity is going to be that one. Okay, when market will done its upper job, it will go for that sell side liquidity, which is actually my obvious liquidity. After taking that obvious liquidity, obviously I will expect that market will keep falling until the low of Monday. So I guess this is the Monday low. So until that low, market will keep falling. If market is overzealous, then it can go for the Friday low as well. But that is not my interest to think. Until this low, which is also a shallow run and obviously a perfect liquidity, until that low, I'll be bearish. After taking the buy side liquidity and it's after it will done its upper job, then I will start to look for buy. Okay, now sorry, sell. Now I'm bullish, so I will change my bias. After taking this buy side liquidity, I will change my bias. At the same time, I will see if this fair value gap, hourly fair value gap, can hold the price or not. If it fails to hold the price, I'll be bullish until this low, until this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Here, this is the last fair value gap which has traded the constant crossment rejection. So until this low, I'll be bullish. I will just keep an eye over here because this is the last fair value gap to that specific leg. Yeah, it can hold the price, but I would love to see it will go through this fair value gap and it will tap at least until the low if this hourly fair value gap is broken. Okay, so in short, that is my expectation. If market takes too long to reach over here, maybe within the morning session it didn't reach over there, within the morning session or before the PM session, if it didn't reach over there, then whole day I'll be bullish. By the way, I need to see actually, do I have any news or not, because I don't remember actually. Do I have any news or not? Tuesday we had a news around 8:30. So yeah, we don't have any other news today. Yes, I'm cool. Okay. I'm cool with that. And let me check the dollar index. So this is the dollar index daily chart. Okay, so dollar index has this sell side liquidity that should be taken. So market is going little higher. I'm not okay with that. I would love to see that market will go for this sell side liquidity. So I would love to see market will fall. If it trade that fair value gap, that means market is not bullish too far, at least not for this week. If we trade that fair value gap, I really don't want to see that market will trade this fair value gap. If we trade that fair value gap, I'm not gonna be thinking that market is going for that buy side liquidity very soon. Instead of that, it will work little lower before expanding higher. So this fair value gap is important. At the same time, I have another fair value gap around that area. If it is working as a breakout gap, this price action is really so difficult. Okay, it's a very difficult price action, but yeah, so far I'm just bearish. I would love to see market is going to take this sell side liquidity, which market didn't take yet. So yeah, okay. Anything else I need to talk? I don't think so. So I can come here and yeah, I can stay over there, and I would love to see how it is going to work. Okay. On my left, this is 15-minute chart, and on my right, that is your on my left it is 1 minute chart, on my right that is 15-minute chart. 9:30 open is within 1 minute. We will see how it react. Right now I have this sell side liquidity around that area. Here I have buy side liquidity over there. So yeah, by the way guys, how are you all? Om Patel 1500 profit. Oh man, that's cool. My subscription target is 6650 today, so I need just 18 subscriber. If I get 18 subscriber today, I'll be very happy to be honest. There you go, the buy side liquidity has taken. Let's see if the manipulation can start right now or it wait little more. It has taken the buy side liquidity. Okay. Hmm. To be honest, I'm seeing a sell setup right now. To be honest, okay, I am really seeing a sell setup. So here, should I go for that? I should go for that. I will go for this. If it can make a fair value gap over there, I'm going to go for the sell. Okay. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. It is reversing from this hourly fair value gap. I got the lower market structure shift. If it can make a fair value gap over there, I'll go for that sell. And if it give me the chance, okay, if it doesn't give me the opportunity, I'm not gonna take the sell. But if it give me the opportunity, yeah, I'll go for that sell. But for that, I need a fair value gap over there. This market structure shift is little tricky actually. Okay, the fair value gap is not you can see this not so obvious fair value gap or something like that, so I'm not gonna touch this one. I will let it fall. If it want to fall, I will let it fall, because the fair value gap is not looking so good to me. That's why I'm not interested to take that entry. I'll just let it go first. How it would love to go, I will see. This fair value gap was not so cool, and also this market structure shift was not valid actually. So it was not kind of perfect market structure shift. That's why I didn't push the button. Instead of that, I would love to see this low, which is much more clear swing low to validate the market structure. I mean, to valid the market structure shift. So better I will use this market swing low for shifting my market structure, and I will wait for another setup. That wasn't so obvious setup to me. That's why I didn't even push my button from that small parallel gap. First, you have to understand why I was looking for sell. As I told, when market has taken this buy side liquidity, this is the hourly parallel gap that should hold the price. If it is broken, I will start to look for buy. Until this is holding the price, I will look for sell. So if I get a perfect market structure shift, immediate reaction, yeah, I'll go for that sell. At least until this sell side liquidity at here. Until this sell side liquidity, I'll look for sell. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. It's a valid swing low for shifting market structure. All I need a displacement below this low, a very nice parallel gap, very nice immediate reaction. If I get that, I'm gonna participate in that run. If I don't get it, I'm not gonna touch it until it gives me something good. If it keep going higher, then I will be able to frame my buy setup when market will be above this parallel gap. So for validate the buy setup, it has to go above this parallel gap from hourly chart, not 15-minute actually, it's from hourly chart. So it has to go above this hourly chart. So far, all I'm seeing that market is reversing from that hourly parallel gap constant crossment. So first it has been rejected from the low. Right now, market is reversing from the constant crossment. So that is all I'm seeing. If the candle close above this hourly parallel gap, at least from 5-minute chart, as I'm here in 15-minute chart, so I will wait to see the candle close from 15-minute chart. When market will close above this 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart above this hourly parallel gap, I will start to look for buy until this low of that last parallel gap. But at the same time, I'll keep that parallel gap in my mind because this is the last parallel gap to that specific 15-minute leg. So here, I'm not seeing this is a buy setup. Okay, I mean market has taken some liquidity, market structure shift, parallel gap buy setup. No, I'm not seeing like that way. I need the confirmation from 15-minute chart that market has broken this hourly parallel gap. If I got that confirmation from 15-minute chart, yeah, I'm cool to go buy. But until then, market is below this parallel gap. I would love to look for sell from 1-minute chart. If I get any kind of selling opportunity, I'll go for that sell. I will just go for that sell from 1-minute chart. I hope that you will understand why for for framing the sell setup, I don't need the 15-minute candle close, but for framing the buy setup, why I need to wait to close that 15-minute candle. So if it is not clear, let me know because that is the most important part. As market has taken this buy side liquidity, I'm gonna remove it from my chart. If anyone has the confusion, let me know. I will explain that again because it is the most important part to understand this part of this price action. I mean, when I'm gonna look for the buy, why I'm gonna depend on this 15-minute candle close. When I'm looking for sell, why I'm not waiting to see the 15-minute candle close. Instead, I would love to depend on 1-minute chart only. Okay. This is not a good price action actually around 9:30. So far I'm just seeing that market is reversing from that constant encroachment of that hourly parallel gap. So this hourly parallel gap market is reversing from that constant encroachment. Okay, you can say that it has been where it went outside of this hourly parallel gap. I don't need to see that until the body is below this parallel gap. I don't need to worry about the week how far it has reached. All I'm seeing, it is reversing from that constant encroachment. That's all. Okay. By the way, after getting the market structure shift, if I see the stop loss is too big, I'm also not going to push my button. So I my stop loss should be around 15 handle. So I will wait for that 15 handle stop loss. If I get it, I will be interested to that sell. If I don't get it, I'm not gonna push my button. That's for sure. I will just let it go. I filter my trade by looking for the stop loss. If the stop loss is too big, I'm not interested. Oh brother, you are going to miss the trade. I don't care. If even if I miss the trade, I'm not gonna push my button over there from that fair value cap or maybe from that anti fair value cap. That is a market structure. I'm not going to push my button. I would love to see first this 15-minute candle close. If it can close over there, then I will wait to look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for buy. And my buy setup is gonna create above the constant cost point of that hourly hourly fair value cap. If the buy setup create below the constant cost point of that hourly fair value cap, I'm also not going to touch that buy. If it doesn't give me any opportunity, it's still it keep going higher, I don't care as well, because I know I will get my sell setup. Not now, later I will get my sell setup. So I'm not in panic. I'm not thinking that I'm gonna miss that trade. I'm not in FOMO. I'm not in anything. Okay, so far some of you can see this is the market structure shape, this is the fair value gap. So market will tap over there to that fair value gap, and then it will go higher. It can happen. As I told, it can happen, but I'm just not interested to take that buy. I need the confirmation first from that 15-minute candle. I would love to see how this 15-minute candle is gonna close. If it can simply now come back again and it can close below this hourly fair value gap, I am not interested to participate in that FOMO run. Okay, is that a valid setup? Absolutely not. The reason is it is against your price action. So far your price action is not telling you to take the buy. That's why I'm not interested to take that buy. But if any of you are trading your real money and you would love to go for buy, please go for that. Don't blame me if you miss that trade. So it's your job. What you are going to do, it's your decision. No sell setup is valid above that constant encroachment. No buy setup is valid below that constant encroachment to that specific fair value cap. So it has traded this fair value cap, and now you can see market is going higher. You can feel the FOMO. I don't want to miss that run until that low. I don't want to miss that run. Please go for that. I'm not interested because I didn't see the confirmation yet that market is going for that area. Still now I don't know market has broken this fair value cap or not. I need that confirmation from here, from 15 minute chart. Or if you're overzealous, you can go for the confirmation for 5 minute chart, because that is the hourly fair value cap. So you need the confirmation from 5 minute chart. So if you are trading through your 5 minute chart, you can see there is no setup yet. From 5 minute chart, there is no setup. That's why you have to wait for better confirmation. You just can't use the hourly fair value gap to frame your 1 minute execution. You can't do that. To be honest, I would love to see this candle will close at the level of this constant encroachment or below this constant encroachment of this hourly fair value gap. So if even if it close inside this hourly fair value gap but above here, above the constant encroachment, I'm not feeling so cool to take the sell, because market should work with the lower portion, not the upper portion. And keep that in your mind. If market would love to reach over there, this is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, which is also very important. It can stop the price, send it back lower again. Okay, so make sure that you are obviously careful about that. Though I don't want to see that market will reach until that area. Instead of that, I would love to see market will keep falling. So you can see so far this candle, okay, from 15-minute chart, this candle didn't give me the confirmation. I didn't take the buy. What is the benefit over here? This is the price action, brother. This is the price action. What is the benefit? Maybe you took your buy over there, your stop loss is below that low. So let's wait if it can go below this low or not. We will see that. Okay, this is the benefit of learning the price action in a simple way with the wizard. Just this candle is going to help you to avoid the losing trade. Now over here, this is market structure shift. No, this is called forcing market to give you the setup. I can force the market to see that this is the market structure shift, but this is not even a swing low. This is not a swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. As I'm bearish, I can force the market to tell me that this is the swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. This swing low is absolutely valid for shifting market structure. This one. So I got the market structure shift. Here is my breakaway gap. There is my breakaway gap. I'm going to mark that on as a breakaway gap. So far, this is the breakaway gap, and I believe that it will make an entry fair value gap around that area. Just a simple entry fair value gap it will make over there. I'll try to catch that sell from that entry fair value gap. This is my sell side liquidity. I will try to hold it until that area. If it come back again to this breakaway gap, I will take my sell from there. My stop loss is going to be very tight. Just above this breakaway gap, the candle has made this fair value gap. As it is not the breakaway gap, I thought that there will be another fair value gap. So as it didn't make any other fair value gap, so that is my only fair value gap, which is valid for sending the price lower. Okay, so I'm gonna take my sell from that fair value gap. My stop loss has covered this candle, which has made that fair value gap. Where did I take my sell? Below this hourly fair value gap, consonant crossment. It is a valid setup for me. I'm gonna take a partial over here. So when market will tap to this area, this red line, I will take a partial over there. Now we can see that it can be very small. In your opinion, it can be very small, but like 19 handle, it's not huge for you, but it's for me, it's huge. Okay, so I will take a partial over there, and okay, I missed it. Okay, if it come back again over there, I'll take the partial, and I will try to hold my trade until this sell side liquidity. Okay, I missed the opportunity to take that sell. Sorry, to take the partial. So I'll wait to see that if market give me another opportunity to take the partial or not. As you can see, my stop loss, because of the volatility, my entry is little lower, but my entry should be there. When it tap to this fair value gap, I should be in the market. Okay, I should be in the market. I didn't know this is the breakaway gap or not. If there was another fair value gap around that area, then it was going to be my breakaway gap. As market didn't make any other fair value gap over there, that is my entry fair value gap. This is ICT's 22 model. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Market has given you the market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. All I need to see an immediate reaction. I got the immediate reaction. I am in the market. This is the first area to take the partial. I will take the partial over there. If market give me another opportunity, obviously, then I will put my stop loss to the break even. If I get stopped out after the partial, I'll be happy, because that is still this is 20 handle, near about 20 handle. Okay, I'm really so happy if I can catch that 20 handle. So from there to there, okay, it's not 20 handle, it's actually 26 handle. Okay, it's near about 26 handle. So though I missed the opportunity to take the partial, I believe that market will give me another opportunity to take the partial. Okay, let's see, because overall I'm thinking market is reaching over there, that sell side area. It has to tap over there. Just little bit. Okay, there you go. I took my partial. Okay, now my stop loss is going to be to the break even. I should not do it, but I'm doing it so that you guys can understand. I didn't take the loss, because here my stop loss should not be here. My stop loss should not be there. My stop loss should still cover this parabolic gap. Why? Because market can go back again to this parabolic gap to make the order block. But as I'm in front of all of you guys, and if it hits my stop loss and if I am absolutely wrong over there, you will start to judge me. That's why after taking the partial, I put my stop loss over there, 26 handle, more than enough. Okay, more than enough. Just a second, let me put it the target profit over there. So this is my target profit, this sell side liquidity, this one. Okay, my stop loss is at the break even. If I get stopped out, then I'm gonna stop out to the break even. This is the logic, guys. Now look over here. If I close my trade right now, right over there, just let me show you, from there to there, 44 handle, is that enough for being profitable? Is that enough for being profitable? Just tell me, brother. It has reached until this 44. So I will do one thing. I'll just put my stop loss just above that area. Okay, if I get a stop out, I'll be just I'll do that. Hard entry for me, it's not hard, it's logical, and it was absolutely perfect entry. I explained everything, what it was going to do, and what was the reason to take that entry. I explained everything. But here one thing is, I'm curious about this week 50%, because it can stop the price this week 50%. Though I don't want to see, it can give me the reaction. That reaction can send the price again until this parallel gap. Okay, this week on my right, that week 50% can give me the reaction until this parallel gap. I can be stopped out over there. Simply I could put my target profit over there. I would be I would be very much profitable. As this is the way to trade, I'm just gonna show you the perfect way to trade, the way I actually trade. But over here my stop loss wouldn't be here. My stop loss would be above this parallel gap still, because market can go back again to this parallel gap to make the order block, because I don't have the order block yet. So it can do that. I'm not interested to take that risk. So I will just put my stop loss over there and I will be stopped out to the break even. That's cool. Okay, brother. Why were we suddenly bearish when we are targeting Monday high? I guess, brother, Santa Feast, you didn't watch my first part of this stream. Please watch that first part. Pause the stream and watch the first part, because I have already explained everything over there. I told that there was the buy side liquidity. This is the hourly parallel gap that can hold the price, send it back. If it is back, I mean, it has broken, then it will go at least until this low. I'm not gonna expect that Monday high is going to be taken. I explained that yesterday. I explained that today as well in the morning session, just before starting this stream. So if you missed it, I'm not gonna spend another 25 minutes to explain that things. Okay. So here you can see market has made another high. So I am gonna put my stop loss above that high. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss. So I'm gonna trail my stop loss. Whenever I will get an opportunity, I will trail my stop loss. I put my stop loss above that high. I covered another, how many handle? Let me show you. Another 12 handle. Okay. After taking the partial, I have covered another 12 handle. So is that okay? My target is here, where extreme liquidity. This is my extreme liquidity. As I always tell you, never ever target the extreme liquidity. This is your extreme liquidity. I'm gonna target that extreme liquidity now. Why I'm gonna target that extreme liquidity? The reason is some of you actually love to see lot of winning, I mean lot of handle winning, which I'm absolutely against. I'm absolutely against. Okay, if I get 25 to 40 handle, I'm more than happy. Even if I see it's more than 40 handle, I just randomly put my target. If it is more than uh yeah, something like that. So if it hit my stop loss right now, I'll be happy. Get a stop out around that area. Now this is not a order block, but as it is reacting as a order block, I'm gonna just cover the order block actually. Just cover this order block. It's not a order block to be honest, but this is a up close candle which is the opposite candle to that fall. So this is the middle candle. It can react as a order block. I don't think so it will do that, but if it can do, okay, I'll be okay. So I just covered that order block, mean threshold, and something like that. Okay, so trail my stop loss little higher of that, and yeah, we'll see if it hit me or not. I have a lot of lines, so I'm going to remove this line from my chart first. Then this is the 830 actually, so I can't move it. What else I can remove? I can remove this opening gap as the opening gap has fully filled. Then this fair value gap, do I need to keep it? I don't need that fair value gap. I'm gonna remove this one as well. This is the hourly fair value gap. All of you know. So I'm gonna keep it. This order block, I'm going to keep it. It's not a perfect order block. Again, market can go back again to this fair value gap to make the order block. So you have to be careful about that. But risk is over there. The entry was perfect, but if you'd love to close your trade over there, trust me, isn't it enough? Even if you close it right now over there, still you have 34 handle. Still you have 34 handle. I really don't understand why people actually look for huge profit. For me, it's very small. But actually, I'm seeing. Look at this week. Okay, so let me mark this week here. This week 50%. Look, market tap to this 50%. It is reacting from that 50%. I just don't know how far this reaction will go. Is that reaction is going for that fair value gap to make the order block? I just don't know that. Okay, I just don't know that. But if it can break this 50% of that week, this is my next target, which is going to be taken. Okay, if it can break this one, not from 1 minute chart, obviously it should be from 15-minute chart, not from 1 minute chart. Again, it should be from 15-minute chart. I'm going to remove this line, but if you would love to keep it, you can keep it. This is the price action, brother. You should learn this one. Now here I'm gonna put my stop loss above this candle. Now why? This order block has been traded. The mean threshold of this order block has been traded. I have this propulsion block now. Look at this candle. This is my propulsion block now. That means this propulsion block should hold the price. I covered the mean threshold of that propulsion block. So I just put my stop loss over there by covering that propulsion block mean threshold. Okay, so at the same time I have a very small fair value gap over here from 1 minute chart. I'll just remove, change the color around that area. This is the fair value gap that can be traded. Now you can see market is falling, but that could be traded. Okay, this fair value gap could be traded. That's why I put my stop loss above that candle which has made that fair value gap. In my opinion, it should not, I mean, it should now fall. Okay, at least take this low. Here, new week opening gap high. It can be reversed from there. So when it will tap over there, I will trail my stop loss again. Okay, let me put my stop loss above this fair value gap now. The new week opening gap high reaction can send the price again until this fair value gap. I really would love to see it will give me the boom, but if it doesn't give me that, okay. just a little bit, little. There you go. I'm gonna close my session. Do I need any other trade for today? So from there to there, 74 handle. Do I need any other trade? Did I explain everything? Do you understand what is the reason? This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. After taking the buy side liquidity, was that a displacement? Was that an immediate reaction? Was everything in line or not? Just let me know. Did it take the did it done the manipulation higher? The manipulation? Why it didn't take the Monday high? Is that clear to all of you guys? I need all of this question to you. What is my expectation when market is at the new week opening gap high? No sell or buy is valid. No sell or buy is valid when market is inside this new week opening gap. Maybe there will be a perfect buy setup inside this new week opening gap, and I will tell you that I'm not interested to take that buy. But then you will see that buy setup sent the price too high, and don't come back to me and tell me, brother, I told you that there was a buy setup. No, please don't do that, because no buy or sell is valid when market is inside this new week opening gap. If you would love to take the buy, you are able to take that buy above from this new week opening gap high. If you would love to take the sell, you are able to take the sell from below this new week opening gap low. So this is the only place where you can look for both buy or sell. This is logic. Here the logic. Is that clear to all of you guys? If it is clear, then push the subscription button. Make it 50 for today. Okay, so my target is actually I just need 18 subscribers. So I can see that I got 2 subscribers. I just need 16 more. Thank you guys. Thanks for writing down that boom. Now over there you saw that I put my stop loss above that candle. Which candle has made that fair value gap? Maybe I would be stopped out over there. Maybe, okay. It could be stopped out. If I got stopped out, I would re-entry over there. When market will close below this parallel cup, I would take re-entry. This is how I trade. You saw that I trailed my stop loss over there. When I put my stop loss above that high, then I moved it above that high. I don't do that. I put my stop loss above that high, I'll be stopped out over there. I'm not gonna move it above this order block, because in my opinion that was not a perfect order block. But it worked as a order block, middle candle. I mean, yeah. So whatever. I'm going to remove this sell side liquidity as it has taken. Okay. If anyone has any question, please don't forget to ask me the question. Now I would love to see your question. If anyone has any type of question. Boss is on fire. Ek number price action, brother. Please explain more about that 50-minute confirmation that saved the day I was long initially. I told that at the beginning. Okay, let me explain this one more time, because some of you actually came lower. Why market is not going to take the Monday high? Because yesterday I told that when market Monday high has taken this Friday high, trade that fair value gap, last fair value gap, constant and crossment. That means the manipulation has happened already with the accumulation. The manipulation happened already with the accumulation. So today market doesn't need to take Monday high. Instead of that, it can trade any kind of lower, lower place of trade. I mean, any kind of fair value gap, order block, anything. It doesn't need to take that high. It should focus on Monday low. It should focus on Monday low. So here, this is my focus today. This Monday low should be taken today. After taking this Monday low, yeah, it can go for that Monday high. It can go for that. Okay, I'm not telling that it can't do that after taking that Monday low. But before taking that Monday low, it should not go above this Monday high. Here, this is the hourly fair value gap. As you can see, market is reversing from that area a lot of times. This was the liquidity from London session, relatively equal highs, which has taken over there. This 15-minute candle, until it close above this hourly fair value gap, I'm not looking for buy from 1 minute chart. If the 15-minute candle can close above this hourly fair value gap, I will look for buy until this low of that old 15-minute bearish parallel gap. In the same time, I will keep an eye on this last parallel gap from 15-minute chart if it can reach until that area or not. Okay? When the 15-minute candle didn't close above it, I am in 1-minute chart. I am looking for sell because I have seen that 15-minute buy side liquidity has taken. This hourly parallel gap is holding the price. If I get an opportunity to take sell from the below of that constant encroachment, I'll look for that sell from 1-minute chart. I don't need the confirmation from 15-minute chart here. Either way, if you can see that that was also a confirmation from 15-minute chart as well, because this candle closed over there. But you don't need it, okay? You don't need it. Now, some of you can see that here maybe you are going to take a sell. No, you are not allowed to do that. Now you have to wait to see the 15-minute candle close below this new week opening gap. If the 15-minute candle can close below this new week opening gap, then I will start to look for sell from a 15-minute bearish parallel gap. Here, this can be the breakaway gap. This can be the entry parallel gap. But for that, I need to see a 15-minute candle close below this new week opening gap. If market didn't close below this new week opening gap, I'm not able to look for sell. Okay, I tried my level best, brother, but if it is not clear yet, I think you need little more time to stay with me. Okay, same here. I waited for the tap into this parallel gap. Okay, as for me, entry not triggered. What do you mean by entry not triggered? I mean, it didn't tap to this parallel gap. You're meaning to see that it's called close approximately trade. You don't need to tap exactly over there. Lot of time you will see that market is very near. If it is just one tick below your entry, just one tick, and you don't want to take that entry, I have no word to say you, brother, because just for one tick you didn't take that entry. Oh, man, I'm not agree with you. One tick, two tick, it's simple. It's so simple. I mean, a lot of time it happens. No sell entry is valid now. First, market has to make a bearish parallel gap, then your sell setup is valid. Until when? Until this low. This is the Friday low. Is that Friday low? Let me check actually. Yeah, this is until that area or this low. Until this low, I'll be bearish. I will think that maybe market will go over there, but it doesn't need to reach over there. As market is going to close below this new week opening gap, I'm bearish. When market is going to close below this new week opening gap, I'm bearish. Every sell setup is valid below this new week opening gap. No sell setup is valid from above the new week opening gap low. So if the sell setup create over there around that area, no, it's not valid. So if you would love to take a sell from there, this area, can you see my cursor? This area or maybe that area, no, it's not valid. Brother, it is falling. Should I chase the price? No, you should not chase the price. Here you can't chase the price. There is no way to chase the price. This is not the expansion day. Why you are thinking like that way? I'm not waiting for 1-minute setup. I'm waiting for 15-minute setup. Now I don't need 15-minute parallel gap traded. I have this new week opening gap as well. That means market can use this new week opening gap as its resistance. Okay, it can do that. 5 to 10 ticks. NQ is nothing these days. Hi Tito, just one question. Are there any scenario you will take trades between 8:30 and 9:30? If there is a news like CPI, then FOMC, PMI, PPI, this type of news, okay, big news, then non-farm payroll around 8:30. Yeah, I would love to frame a setup. Okay, it has taken this sell side liquidity. Remember the sell side liquidity I marked from 15-minute chart? It has taken that sell side liquidity. So if there is any kind of news over there, yeah, I am willing to take sell between 8:30 to 8:59. After 8:59, pushing button is forbidden. You can't push your button after 8:59. By the way, guys, I made my delay low. Actually, it's now 10-second delay. Okay, if I make it much more lower, then it will be lagged because of my internet speed, I guess. That's why I just put it, I mean, I delayed my stream just 10-second. Okay, previously it was 20-second delayed. Right now it's 10-second delayed. If I take that entry, it rips over the highs. It's your thinking, Ali. But if you work with the logic, you should not be think like that way. I explained the logic over there. Now, you guys, it's your decision. You are going to push the like button and the subscription button or not. I can see nobody is interested actually. Push the subscription button. Okay. Short 57% was short. Let me check actually. So yeah, 57% was short, long was 43%, 164 votes. Okay, so majority wins. Thank you guys for giving me my bias. Thank you. Okay, every day from today, I'm gonna use that one that poll so that I can know what is going to be my bias. You are going to help me. Okay, please do that. Now, did you subscribe to my channel? Let's see. You have nothing to do right now. Just nothing to do. You have to wait. This is the time to wait. Good morning, Jamie. If I can, I would subscribe. Thank you. Cool stuff to buy. Thank you, brother. Hi, Tito. I'm getting another friend to use your code and start trading. Hey, Akshay. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, I would love to do some advertisement actually. So here you can see this is the Apex code. So if any of you are interested to trade through Apex, you can see we have 80% discount, and for 150k, 250k and 300k accounts, they are only for $40. So the lifetime fee is gonna be $85. If you can pass it, then you have to pay $85, which is the lifetime fee. Okay, my advice, my opinion is never ever go below or above the 150k account, because that is the best account for being a profitable trader. Okay, trust me, you will be able to catch the volatile market as well as the slow market by that 150k account. More than 150k you will be greedy, less than 150k you won't be able to catch the volatile market like today. Okay, so make sure that you are going to take that 150k account, not 250k, not less than 150k. So you can use that discount code NLCKHFMI. After 21 more referral, I'll change it to T2 wizard. So all of my discount code is going to be the same. Okay, so right now I have to wait for 100 referral. So far I have 79 referral. So just after 21 I'll change it to T2 wizard. It will be easier to remember. Okay, give me some little time. And also, if you would love to go for the, what to say, I mean, in my opinion, this is the best uh I mean, best chance to take the profit from here. This funded futures, this is my funded futures. Actually, you can see this is the $80 for 50k account, which is going to be actually the $76. If you use the code T2 wizard, you will get the code and the link in my description. You will get it by $76, that 50k account. If you can pass it, you are done. You can see your profit target is $3,000. Your maximum loss is to $2,500, which is gonna be trailed at the end of the day. Daily loss limit is $1,200. No activation fee. That means if you can pass it by $76, you will start to earn real money. Maximum contract size is 3 minis, though you should not go more than one contract if you take that 50k account. Never ever go more than one mini contract. Never ever. For when you will pass that eval and you will start to earn the real money, you have to go for 5 winning days, at least $100. It should not be in a row. It can be, random winning. And scaling, there is should be the scaling. I mean, you should scale your contract size when you will be in live account. Okay, the reset fees is $50. If you use the code again, then you will get 5% discount again. Okay, so make sure that if you fail to pass that one, you are going to reset it. You are using the code again, T2 wizard. So if you use the code, it's gonna be $47, I guess. Okay, $47, something like that. Same way, 100K, you can see the same, requirement, and 150K. Now my advice always is 150K. Now you can think that top step, you will get the 50K account by $49. So why you are going to use this one by $76? Because if you pass it from top step, then you are going to pay $198. Where here you have to pay just $76, just $76, no other fees. So yeah, this way, my advice is still to go for that 150K, because it is the best account size for me. If you wanna stay in this market, then 150K is the only way. I'm in my opinion. Okay, I'm not telling to go for that. In my opinion. So here some rules as well. I'm not interested to explain that because you know that better than me. I would love to just tell you, if you would love to use the my funded futures, this is a great deal. Okay, so far this is the great deal. And same time, if you see that, on the left top corner there is Bulenox. If any of you are fond of Bulenox, make sure that you have used that wizard T2 wizard code. Okay, if you are a fan of Bulenox. Someone has taken the membership. Welcome, brother. Welcome. I am unable to read your name. It may be Aswakal Aswakal. Without Jaborjer Pesh, I can't just I can't just read it. But welcome, brother. Just don't forget to give me the penguin, man. Just don't forget to give me the penguin. Dude, I'm so happy the way you came here. You are really blessed. Keep it going, bro. Yep, I'm gonna do it at least until September 1st. I will be here in regular, okay? And then I am not gonna promise you that I'll be here every day because I have to do my own job and life is gonna be busy. Is $80 every month until we pass challenge. Yep, if you don't cancel the subscription, then it's gonna be $80. I mean, not $80, $76. Every time you will use that code, you are going to get that $76, not $80 actually. But until you pass it, it's gonna be $80. If you wanna reset it, it's gonna be $50. So if you use the code, it's gonna be say $46, I guess. Aswan al Quran. Oh, okay, Aswan al Quran. Yeah, I'm sorry because I can read it, but uh, with Jabur, the Jabur jet page with the Nukta or something like that. I don't know what is the English word of that. Whether just keep streaming. You have to work. Sorry, you don't have to work, lol. Then who is gonna feed me, brother? Who is gonna pay my rent? If I ask even for the members, then you start to comment like to my YouTube channel that brother, you told everything is gonna free. Now you are asking for membership just for $3. My lowest membership is just $3. Someone just complained. To be honest, I'm waiting. Okay, here I have just nothing to tell. To be honest, I'm just waiting to see to get another opportunity. So far market has taken this sell side liquidity. I'm going to remove this sell side liquidity. I don't need it. This is the fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Oh, okay, so let me show you here. This is the fair value gap from 15-minute chart, which is going to hold until today. It was going to hold the price, but today, first time it has closed below this constant crossment. So I'm gonna think that market is going to break this fair value gap now, and market is going for this sell side liquidity. But for selling, I have to wait to market trade that fair value gap. So no sell setup is valid right now. If there is a sell setup, no, I'm not gonna take that sell. I need to see that if market can make this bearish fair value gap, then if market came back again to this bearish fair value gap, then the setup can create from 1-minute chart below the new week opening gap low. Yeah, then I'll be good to go for sell. Otherwise, I have no opportunity. If it keep falling right now, I have no opportunity. Can I take buy? No, I can't take buy. Until market is not above this new week opening gap, I can't take buy. I can take buy if market is over here, somewhere here. Okay, just for example, it is here. I can take a buy until this new week opening gap low. Remember yesterday, I framed the setup. Let me actually go over there. Here, whenever market came here, I took buy. Whenever market went little higher, I took sell until this new week opening gap high. So same situation over here. Whenever market will be very near to this low, I should look for sell. Whenever market will be very below of that low, I can look for a buy until that area, though that is not my intention. Instead of that, I would love to see market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Okay, so here no buy setup is valid. Now maybe market will make a setup over there, it will tap over there, then it will go high and it will come here, and you will start to blame me. Please don't do that. I'm telling you the way you should read the price. If it doesn't happen here, these same rules helped me to take that entry, helped me to avoid that losing trades. See, this was a perfect setup, buy setup. It helped me to avoid that losing trade, helped me to catch that perfect setup. I'm gonna frame that, use that same rules over here. If it doesn't work and if it keep going higher, I'll be able to take buy when market will be above this new week opening gap high. I will be able to take buy. Otherwise, I'm not gonna look for any kind of buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 extremely strong resistance level over there. Market has to break all of them to go high for forever. So I'm not gonna take any kind of buy from there. Do you think trading during Asia or London session using ICT is okay? Man, I have made the London session too much clean, too much clear. 95% of the time, you are able to get the winning trade from London session just by simple concept. What you are talking about now, Asia session is little tricky. I I I don't have any comment about the Asia session, but London session, man, it's like I'm not a London guy. I don't like London session, but it's too easy to trade. Hey Tito, I took the same freaking trade. That's two from the hourly fabric gap. It's good to see that you caught the same on. Let's go. Hey skaters, thanks for that, man. Why you should work and you making money from trading? I don't trade, Mourad. I don't trade, brother. I don't trade. It's been near about 2 to 3 months, I guess. Maximum 2 to 3 months. I don't trade. Martin Avanti, you want to buy? Buy on your own. Okay, Outlander. Actually, Martin is like the way you started. He's like that. Okay. Remember, Peter, when you first joined, you started to tell that drama. Martin is like that. Okay, actually he's not a naysayer. He's not a negative guy. He just come and start to talk like no sell, no nothing, just buy, just buy, just buy. Okay, I guess you didn't notice that. But if you notice, you will see that always he just start his conversation like that way. Buy. If you see that market is falling, there is a sell setup. Still, he will say buy, buy, buy. So don't get angry on him. Please share that London session. I have already shared it in my YouTube channel, brother. If you go to my study folder, you will get that. Okay, one easy concept to trade London session, something like that. Guys, make sure that you have given me the likes, you have given me the subscription. I need the subscriber. More than 200 people are watching. I'm a very small guy. Make sure that you have subscribed and you have given me the likes. Let me check actually how many subscribers do I have and how many people are not my subscriber actually. I'm waiting as I told you. Okay, so this is not a price action where I should participate. I'm not interested to participate in that price action. So I'm just waiting. 100 people has voted. 6%, that means just 6% is not my subscriber. Okay, so all of my viewers are from my subscriber. That's cool. I'm getting my strongest community. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being my for coming here every day. As you are my subscriber and you are coming here every day, I'm really happy. Do you have an answer, brother? How would you list the following in order of priority of the decision: new week opening gap, new day opening gap, breakup block, order block, parabolic inversion, parabolic C, first last parabolic, upwardly parabolic, etc. I have already told that lot of time. So new week opening gap is the strongest parabolic gap, then new day opening gap, then last parabolic gap, then entry parabolic gap. That last parabolic gap, entry parabolic gap, it can be from any time frame. Okay, whichever time frame you are using, that should be from that time frame. After parabolic gap, then breaker block, water block, inversion parabolic gap, they are like same. I mean, they don't have any sequence or something like no priority list. They're same. But parabolic gap here, if I get a look at this parabolic gap, I don't give a shit that last parabolic gap from this 15-minute chart. I always my intention is this also. I can simply remove this parabolic gap. I don't need that one. This new week opening gap is the strongest parabolic gap over here. It has the power to stop the price. Look at this reaction from that low of that new week opening gap. Just look at the reaction. If I show you little, yeah, not exactly tick by tick, but look at the reaction from those levels. Here is, I mean, for total 6 level actually. Just look at the reaction from that area. The high, constant constant low. Not today, until 5 weeks you will keep seeing this reaction. Okay, so new week opening gap is the strongest parabolic gap, then new day opening gap, then last parabolic gap, then entry parabolic gap. After that you can look for any other things. Okay, breakaway gap is stronger than parabolic gap. What do you mean by breakaway gap is stronger than parabolic gap? As I told you, that is my thinking. Okay, breakaway gap is only important when you are going to take the entry. Around that entry time, breakaway gap is important to put your stop loss. That's why there is nothing called breakaway gap. Outlander, I don't know why other people follow other YouTubers because they are not even 10% of T2 Wizard. So there is no negative comment. I'm really surprised, Outlander. I'm really surprised, brother. There is no negative comment. There should be some negative comment. Now Ruby has actually support you. Oh, the 50-minute just made a last and entry gap on that move down. Okay. Can you explain how you identified the new week opening gap? Thank you. Friday close, Sunday open, brother. It's so simple. New day or new week? What did you mean? New week. Yeah. Just Friday close and Sunday open. Guys, I'm just waiting for setup around that area. So far there is no setup yet. So you can see this is the Friday close, Sunday open, the 50%. This is my new week opening gap. So simple. If I get a lower market structure shift, yep, I will go for that sell again. Why? Market is reversing from new week opening gap. Brother, you told that you should wait for 15-minute parabolic gap trade. Now, why you are telling you that you are going to take the sell from there if you get a lower market structure shift? Because market is trading the strongest parabolic gap over there. So if I get something like this type of perfect lower market structure shift, parabolic gap immediate reaction, yeah, I'll go for sell again until this sell side liquidity. Okay. My weekly analysis, if you have watched that weekly analysis, I am targeting this hourly parabolic gap. If it is extremely strong, then this parabolic gap. Here, this is the weekly bullish parabolic gap. This two black line is my weekly bullish parabolic gap. Okay. So yeah. Titu, why I said is new people joining and more value I see here. So you need here more time to teach new subs. I didn't understand your comment, brother Sizo. CJ. It's me. Thank you. No, you're no problem, brother. How you deal with daily opening gap? Same as new? No, absolutely not. New daily opening gap. New to opening gap. If you're asking about new to opening gap, yeah, absolutely like new week opening gap. But that daily opening gap, I have to make a video about new day opening gap and new week opening gap. Actually, today, not today. I guess tomorrow. Yep. I will try to make that video, new day opening gap video, tomorrow, so that you can understand what is new day opening gap and how to use that. Okay, I'll try to make it. Not a promise, but I will try to make it. We need some drama. Been too long. What type of drama you want, Peter? From the wizard, what type of drama do you want? I'm just waiting. Okay, look at this price action. When I'm talking bullshit to all of you guys, maybe you are getting bored. What you are talking about, brother? You should talk about the price action. Just look over here. Do you have any price action? Do you think you should participate in that price action? You should know that beforehand. If you just know what you are looking for, no, you maybe don't know what you should look for. That's why if you don't know, then you will think, am I going to get the buy setup or am I going to take sell setup? I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for only sell setup. So I don't give a shit if market go high, keep going higher. I will start to look for buy again if market can go above this new opening gap. Above this new opening gap high. Then I will start to look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not gonna look for buy. Every single time I'll just look for a sell. So I will wait for a lower market structure shift just. If I get that lower market structure shift, that setup should create below this new opening gap low, below that low, then I'll go for that sell. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get panic if market keep going higher. The way I didn't get panic over there, the way I didn't get panic over here, I'm not get panic if market keep going higher. This is the part, brother, you have to understand. Just this part. It's gonna change your trading. Do I need to trade anymore after catching that run? No, I don't need it. But still, I'll be here. I will read all the price action every single time how I think the price should react. That doesn't mean market is going to follow my rule, I mean target every day or every single time. Okay, don't expect like that way. I'm a human being. I do mistake. Sometimes I do mistake. Okay. When do you need to look for time frame higher than 15 minutes? If the 15-minute time frame is messy, I mean there is nothing. For example, here this price action is messy price action from 15 minutes. You can simply see that how messed the price action over there. Can you see the messy price action over here from 15-minute chart? I went to hourly chart, marked the hourly fair value gap. If it is so clean, like something like this, very clean, right? Very clean from 15-minute chart, very clean. I don't need the hourly fair value gap. Here, very clean. I don't need the hourly fair value gap. I have this anti fair value gap, last fair value gap, very clean. I don't need the hourly fair value gap. You can see market reached until that area. But here, how the price action is over there? Is it clean? Do you think? As it is not, I'm gonna go to hourly fair value gap, going to mark that hourly chart and hourly fair value gap. Okay, brother, market is going high. Take buy, take buy, take buy. As I told you, if you are interested, please go for that buy. I'm not interested to take that buy. Trust me. Thumbs. Thanks, brother Titu. Since I started with you, my mindset changed toward the market. Hey, Thumbs, it's been a long. I didn't see your comment, brother. I see you care about 15-minute fair value gap more than 4-hour fair value gap or 1-hour fair value gap and daily fair value gap. My chart has all fair value gap. First of all, if you are trading, I mean, if you are, I told that a lot of time. If you are executing your trade from 1-minute chart, you are not allowed to use 4-hour chart. You can't go to 4-hour chart. You can't go again. It's restricted. If you would love to take I mean execution, your execution chart is 1 minute. If you are using 4 hour, you are doing everything wrong. Everything. You will never get the consistency. I don't care. I don't give a shit whoever told you that. Whoever is using 4-hour chart, just go over there and see they are executing that trade from 5-minute chart. If he knows little about ICT, little about, okay. I mean, don't get confused over there. But if you use 4-hour chart, your execution chart should be 5-minute chart. There is nothing wrong. Absolutely perfect. 15-minute chart should be your bellwether if you would love to execute your trade from 1-minute chart. Now, sometimes the 15-minute chart is so messy, then you need little higher time frame, and that should be the hourly chart. This is the simple explanation of 4-hour fair value gap. Daily fair value gap, you need to understand the bias, which is important from weekly chart. But how many times do you see I open my daily chart? I have my daily time frame over there or daily level over there. How many times do you see that? You don't need that. Am I, didn't I show you every single day the bias with precision with every single day? Am I not showing you the bias without the daily? Whatever I opened here, I saw these things. I don't do anything behind the scene. I don't do anything else. Whatever I'm doing, I'm telling you in front. I'm doing it in front of all of you. Okay. About deeper, okay, brother, one of Friday members stream, or if you make a video, can you talk about deeper time and price theory? We know what you have told us about the main timing, but in a deeper way. Thanks. Ravi, last streaming, last, I mean, members only streaming, I talked about order block, breaker block in a deeper way. Okay. So I will do that in deep price action, just in member only video. I don't care if some of you think that I'm doing it partial. I mean, that is partiality or something like that. I don't care. Okay. But yeah, I will talk about the deep price action over there, because for being profitable you don't need that deeper price action. I will do that because if some of you are interested to get the deep price action, you'll be able to do that. That's why. Okay, I don't really know if you any of you get angry on me or not, and I am not gonna, I don't want to see your comment about this thing. Okay, I really would love to do the things the way I want to do. I'm giving you everything for free here in YouTube. But if I would love to give something special to someone, you should not complain. You should not complain, okay? Do you see any setup beside this crypto chart? I don't open even the crypto chart, brother. I mean, I don't trade the crypto. I watch gold chart sometimes, Nasdaq, gold, Euro USD. This is the three chart I watch sometimes. George, are you here, brother? T2 is the best day trading teacher. Okay, I'm not a teacher, by the way. And live trading on the whole YouTube. Okay, that was a great compliment for me, brother. Thank you for that. Man, we will sue you if you think about to stop this live streaming sound. Okay, I will try my. I'm not gonna stop actually, but I won't be available every single day. Okay, so I was planning to go to Portugal. Now I have changed my plan, and I think I will be in Greece because there is a job opportunity. So I will be over there in Greece. And in Greece the working hour is near about 12 hours. So if I have to do that 12 hours job, I guess that I will rarely manage the time for trading. I mean, for live streaming actually. So I will see. We will see. Okay, we will see. But yeah, I will keep posting the video, I guess. I just need a night job. If I get any kind of night job, you know, I sleep a little, like just 2 hours sleep, 2 to 3 hours sleep. So if I get a night job in day, I will be able to trade. I mean, do the live streaming. But I need job. It is going to depend on job. I just need a job in Europe, in any country, so that I can do the job. In Portugal, it's really difficult. Respect, sir. You have built an amazing model which is profitable and less stressful using ICT concepts. Thank you for your time every day. You are most welcome, MF. I work 12 hours and I'm here every day. Lol. No, this is my world. I didn't mean that. I mean it like, in Europe, the trading session is around 1 p.m. Okay. So if I do the day job, I don't care about how long I'm working. I don't care. But if my job time is around the session time, I'm unable to do the the live stream, right? That's why I told that if I get the night job, I will be able to do the streaming at day. I don't care how long I'm working. All I need the free time around the session time. That's all I try to mean you. Okay. Chitu, what kind of work? Any work, brother Nicolo. Any kind of work. I just need to survive. That's all. I don't care how much I'm gonna earn. I just need some money so that I can pay the rent, room rent, and for my food. That's all. So I don't have any specific field where I would love to work. No, there is nothing like that. If it is the ward job like cleaning, housekeeping, then what type of job we have? I mean, I didn't do it though, but in restaurant, any kind of job. I just need a job. But I believe that I will get on. I will get on. Okay, inshallah. Please don't go. You are so valuable. You will be missed. Thank you, Ming Green. I'll be here. I'll try to be here. Okay. If you are profitable in trading, why you want to do another job? Someone can please reply him. This easy forex strategy testing. Can anyone please reply to him? Because I am now tired to keep saying the same answer again and again. The thing I would love to avoid that question come back again and again to me. Oh man, it's very difficult. Martin, it's not the buy. Look, it is trading the 15-minute fair value gap over there. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. It is trading the fair value gap so far. I'm not interested to look for buy. Buy is only valid if market can close above this new opening gap. Then and only then the buy is valid. Until then, the buy is not valid. Netcare, your question's answer I gave you yesterday, today as well. So I guess it is so clear what I do before opening my chart, and when I open my chart, what type of level I look for, why I look for that, what is the importance of narrative, what is the importance of liquidity, what is the importance of fair value gap. I keep telling about them. Okay. George, he is very respectful with his beliefs. Thank you, George. Yeah, that's the problem actually. I don't know if any of you are Muslim over here or not. If you are Muslim, I'm Muslim. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslim. And leverage is actually haram for the Muslim people. It's haram. Okay, so I'm unable to continue this trading anymore. Maybe I'm not gonna leave the trading. If one day I have million dollar, then I will trade again without leverage. Okay, but right now leverage, by using leverage I can't trade. So I have to. Okay. It's a buying pressure. Yeah, exactly. It's a buying pressure. I can see it. That market is going higher. I'm not seeing that buying pressure yet, but yeah, still I'm bearish. As I told you, I'm not interested to catch that buy run. To be honest, I'm just not interested to catch that buy run. If anyone get panic, you can take the buy if you want. But I explained what I'm looking for. Okay, how much peep do you capture daily? I don't capture not even a single peep. Good question. Thank you, Frank and Fruity. What is that question, Netke? Netk. What is that question? Oh, okay. I told that answer. How much people? Okay, I told you that as well. Japan. I don't look for even a single peep. It's all depend on the price action, brother. Sometimes I can catch 100 handles. Sometimes I can catch just 10 handle or maybe 5 handles. Sometimes I catch minus five, minus tick. Okay, minus 5 ticks, minus 10 ticks. So something like that. Guys, I'd love to take a break. Uh, just 2 to 3 minutes break. In the meantime, make sure that you have given me the likes. And if any of you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so there is 6637 subscriber, make it at least 6650, and the likes are 130, make it 170. So 40 likes, please give me more 40 likes. Okay, bro, just keep trading and I will take the scenes instead of you. Some people here don't know that they need to put in the work and expect too much spoon feeding. Okay, please guys, I think T2 gives us pretty much everything we need. Please put it at least some effort. Yep, it's true, Jancy. I have already told you everything. Okay, just everything. Or everything has done. I'm here in live to just prove that whatever I gave you in my YouTube channel, it's working. Just to prove that things. I'm here. I came here to tell you that I'm bullish until it's not broken. If it is broken, I'm bullish until that area. If it's not broken, I'm bearish until this area. At the beginning, I'm bearish until this area. Then I will wait for better price action. I will see if market can close below this new week opening gap. I'll keep looking for sell until this area. So I have already explained everything, and I'm just here to tell you how it is work. I mean, to show you that whatever I'm telling you, it's not something like bullshit. It is working. That's why I'm here. Okay. If I don't get some subscriber today, I mean 50 subscriber today, I will really cry. But make sure that you have given me the likes. Likes should be at least 170. Please push the like button. By the way, I'm going to remove these lines from my chart because it's no more important for me. I'm waiting here to explain the price action and I didn't see anything yet. So if any of you are thinking that you would love to take this small buy run, this small sell run, then buy run, then sell run, buy run, sell run, buy run, sell run, I'm sorry to tell you that, brother, I'm not able to do that. I'm only able to catch one move. Here I got that move. I will be able to catch the buy move again if market can close above this new week opening gap. I will try to catch the buy move again. Until market is inside this new week opening gap, no entry is valid for me. If market can go back again below this new week opening gap low, I will start to look for sell. When market went below this new week opening gap low, was there any sell setup? There was no sell setup. Okay, simply there was no sell setup. So I didn't take any sell. Here the buy is not valid. These simple rules, you are not ready to following that rules. It's not my problem, it's your problem, brother, because you are not following the rules over there. Just forget about this new week opening gap. What else do you have? Entry fair value gap, last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. So far, where market is reaching, where market has reached entry fair value gap. At the same time, where did it reach? To the constant crossment of that new week opening gap. If you get a sell setup below this new week opening gap, you are good to go for the sell until this sell side liquidity. This is your extreme sell side liquidity. Never ever hold your trade until that area. Instead of that, try to close your trade somewhere else. I mean, above, maybe using some 1 minute liquidity if you get some. I don't know if there is any, or maybe below this low. Okay, let me mark this low. Maybe just randomly I put it over there randomly. Okay, so here until this low, try to catch your sell until that. this low. Simple logic, brother. Okay, okay. So guys, one more advertisement, please. Sorry for that. Apex has 80% discount code. If any of you are interested about copy trading, then Apex is the best option in my opinion. Over here, I would love to only focus on 150k, 250k, and 300k, which accounts are only for $40. The lifetime fee, that means if you can pass the eval, then you have to pay $85 for getting the lifetime, price action, or the real price of the account. That account, lifetime account, it's gonna be $85. Okay. In my opinion, 150k is the best. There is the discount code on the right top corner, NLCKHFMI. If you use that code, you are going to get that 80% discount for the Apex. At the same time, if you just uh, love to trade like my funded futures over here, 50k account, you are going to get that by $76. You can see here is it is showing that $80, but if you use the code T2 wizard, then it's gonna be $76. 100k account, you will get the 5% off. 150k account, out of $220, you will get that uh, 5% off. If you use T2 wizard, you will get both link and the code on my description, and I guess Tamimi will help you, or stream element will help you to provide you the link and the code, okay, on the comment box. So you can see the, you can take a screenshot. So it is much more cheaper in my opinion. This is the best deal. Okay, right now this is the great deal to get an account, because here you don't need to pay any kind of reset fee. You can see activation fee, none. There is no activation fee. Pass it, earn it, earn the real money. There is no other rules or nothing, no other fees, no other hidden fees. If you fail to pass it, then you have to pay another $50. That is the reset fee. If you use the T2 wizard code, yeah, you are going to get that 5% discount as well from there. Okay, so if you are interested to trade through that, don't forget to use that T2 wizard code. On the left top corner, you will see there is Bulenox 83% off. So if you use that code T2 wizard, same code, then you will get that 83% off as well. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do. But make sure that you have used that code every single time you are gonna, either buy or you are going to use the reset. If you fail to pass it, then reset. My opinion is to 150k is the best option. Okay, at least if you would love to trade Nasdaq market, then 150k should be the best market. Outlander PayPal. What is that PayPal? I have the PayPal link already. You will get it on the comment if you are asking something like that. Okay, but only 10 people will do it. What is that? What you are talking about? I don't know. You guys keep talking. I would love to take a break. As I told that here, no price action yet. I would love to wait for 11, around 11. I believe that market will give us another opportunity to either buy or sell. But as I'm telling you that I'm expecting sell again. Until this sells and liquidity, I will keep expecting sell. So my expectation is selling. I would love to catch a sell run below this new week opening gap. So yeah, I will take a break actually, then just 2 minute break. Okay, then I'll be back. In the meantime, make sure that you have given me the likes should be 170. Make sure that you have pushed the like button, otherwise I'm gonna be quiet. This price action, this wizard is gonna be quiet. Okay, No sell is valid. No sell is valid below, sorry, above this new week opening gap low. No sell is valid. And another thing is, guy, I I really don't want to frame any trade after 11:30 because it is very near to lunch hour. So if I can catch a run before 11:30, yeah, I'll go for that. Otherwise, I'm not gonna frame any kind of trade after 11:30. It is very risky for me, so I don't do that. Okay, I follow some rules, and I love to follow some rules because without rules, I'm not interested to trade in this market. So far, you can see the market is trading this entry Favluga from 15-minute chart. At the same time, the 50% of that new week opening gap. Look, nobody closed above this consonant crossment. What is it telling you? I'm falling. This is broken. This new week opening gap is broken. Look over here. See? So far, it's a fake breakout. I would love to see another candle close below this candle, below this line. If I see that, then this fake breakout is gonna confirm that it is not the fake breakout. It is actual breakout. So I am just waiting to see if this candle can close below this new week opening gap low. Okay. Netcat, does anyone know how does it work after you pass a val on Apex? I guess Tamimi or Outlander, they can help you because they trade through Apex for a long time. So we have to take it as rules. No sell is good above any new week of absolutely, brother. These are the rules. You should write it down. No sell is valid above the new week opening gap low. Yeah, you can take a sell from there if it is too far from that new week opening gap high. It is too far, right? You can take a sell until the new week opening gap high, but no sell is valid very near to new week opening gap high. Inside the new week opening gap, no entry is valid. Inside the new week opening gap, no entry is valid. Okay. FX, we should think about this. I cannot see him go work some shitty job. He is the smartest person I know, and I know plenty smart people. I don't think that working working is bad. Any kind of work should be good. Should be good. It should be good. Okay. In my opinion, it should be good. So far, there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Until now, there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Though I'm looking for a sell, but there is no setup yet. Now, tell me, brother, when I stopped to talk about this price action, or I'm stopped to look for a setup, was there any setup? You can look for this buy setup. Either way, you can look for this buy setup, but was that really so cool buy setup? I don't think so. If there was a really swing low, if that swing low was valid for shifting market structure and I got the market structure shift, I would take the sell from here, to be honest. I was looking for that, but as I didn't get it, I'm not gonna take the sell from here. Though I know market is falling, maybe I will miss that trade, maybe. But I'm just not interested to push my button from there because this is not a clean setup to me. So I'm not gonna take that sell. Though I know that market is falling, I'm just unable to push my button over there. Try to understand this part, small part. I am just unable to do that. The reason is the price action is not clean over here. Yep, from 2 minute chart also look, there is no clean market structure shift, travel cap or something like that. Nothing. So I am really unable to frame any kind of sell setup from there. I am just, you helpless over here to push my button. Now, if you are in FOMO, maybe you will push your button over there. I am not feeling FOMO. I don't push my button if I don't see anything clean. Can I force the market? No, I can't even force the market. I can force the market if one thing is missing from the price action. For example, maybe I got a perfect market structure shift, but there is no parallel gap. I could push my button from that low. I could push my button, but here market structure shift is not valid, no fair value gap, nothing is clear. So I'm not interested to push my button right now. Instead, I would love to wait a little more to see if there is any better opportunity to take sell or not. I'm not interested to push my button. Can I take a buy? No, you can't take a buy. Just look at the reaction. First, it has been rejected from there. Now it is rejecting from that high. Look at the reaction. As I told you, if you mark this thing, okay, let me show you actually. This fair value gap is actually divided by two quadrant. So here, every single level is important. Look at this reaction from lower quadrant. Look at the reactions from upper quadrant. Here, 75, the upper quadrant, the 50%. Every single level is important. So I am just unable to do that. If you ask me, it's better, it's a good opportunity to take buy instead of take sell. As market is inside this new opening gap, I obviously I'm not gonna take the buy, but it's a better opportunity to take buy over here instead of taking sell. I am just not gonna push my button. That's all. I would let it go to see that what it actually would love to do. I'm not in rush. I'm just not in rush. Okay. Passive listening won't suffice. Let's be active, everyone. Consider hiring T2 as a teacher. Just listening won't get us somewhere anywhere. Yeah, it's true, brother. If you just listen to me, it's not going to help you if you don't take the notes. So you have to take the notes. The information I'm telling you, this is the information all you need, and you have to follow those information. You are not gonna jealous to take buy over there. You are not going to jealous to take sell from there. You are not going to take buy from here even after seeing this run. No, you are not going to push your button to take buy from there because it's not valid. You can't look for the buy from there. The reason is market is inside this new opening gap. So all you need, keep patient first. Netcap flipping means you can just open a trade and close it after a few seconds, even on micros. Okay. It's a good thing, Tamimi. To be honest, it's a good thing. Flipping. Good name as well. The way I gave you the last fair value gap, the way I gave you the entry fair value gap, if you just take the notes and if you use those, you don't need anything else for being profitable. Nothing at all. I don't need to trade this market anymore because I I was able to capture that run. I just don't need to take any other trade. But I'm here so that I can explain every kind of price action. So the way I explain this price action, you have to understand this part, why market is doing this, why you should not participate in this area, how do you are going to see the same price action in your future. Okay, some of you are seeing this is the entry fair value gap, this is the breakaway gap, maybe there is some kind of market structure shift, market has traded that entry fair value gap, now it is going higher, it can go higher, there is nothing wrong with that, but should you push your button? Look from your 15-minute chart. Does it telling you that I'm going higher from that 15-minute chart? Just let me remove that one. From this 15-minute chart, what do you think? Is it going higher? Does it look like it is going higher? This is the part, brother. If you understand this small part, your trading is gonna be very beautiful. Can it go higher? Absolutely, it can go. Should you participate in that run? No, you should not. S- So someone will tell you, I mean, I believe that every single of you have heard one single sentence, and that is trading is all about passion, patience. The more patient you are, the more profitable you are. What is that mean? This is the meaning of that patience. You are impatient right now. See, you are in patience right now. Why? Because you didn't get the clear bias. Still, you don't know where market is going. So you are in deep patience right now. You are not forcing market to give you the setup to take buy or sell over there. You are in patience. Maybe you will miss the run. Don't give a shit. Just don't give a shit. Still wait. Just still wait. Stay still over here. Wait for the better price action. Then participate in the price drop. Guys, I have a question to all of you. I believe that you will give me the answer. Okay, please give me the answer. Do you watch the video I upload every single day after the PM session? Because if you don't watch it, then I am not gonna make it, because after the session, then it's difficult to make a video. So if you think that you don't watch it and it's not helpful for you, then I'm not gonna make the video, the PM session explanation. I really don't. If you don't watch it, I am not gonna make it anymore. So give me the reply. Do you watch it or not? Okay. Okay, so many people are watching. Okay, so I have to make it. Okay, it's broken. This anti-fair cap has broken. Right now, market is in this last fair cap from 15 minute chart. I'm going to mark the last fair cap from 15 minute chart. Okay, so yeah, you guys. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll make it. I'll make it. I'll make it, man. I'll make it. Okay. Shanta Feast, London session. I am really. I just can't explain. Okay, how busy I am around the daytime. I rarely sit in front of my chart. Rarely. Okay. So yeah, even if I get the time, I make the video, summary video of the London session. But to be honest, it's really difficult. But the PM session, after the PM session, it's midnight over here, so I can simply make that video if I'm not too lazy. So the buy is only valid if this candle can close above this new week opening gap. If this candle can close, then the buy is valid. Until then, you should stay still over here. Nothing to do over here. When market was going ahead, what did I tell you? Remember, it's better for me to look for a buy instead of looking for a sell. But I am just unable to take that buy. Did I tell that before it even happened? It's better to look for buy instead of looking for sell. This is the part you have to understand, because when this candle has closed, the very next candle went lower. This candle, okay, went lower. Take all of this liquidity. Where exactly it has traded? Now you can say, brother, it has traded some. I mean, this last fabric apparent that area. I'm not interested about that last fabric. Instead of that, I would love to see this order block. That specific candle. It has traded that order block. Mark that order block. Went higher. There was no market structure shift. price tap over there, went higher. Either way, I'm not able to catch that run. To be honest, I'm just not able to catch that run. No entry is valid into this new week opening gap. Now I am able to look for a buy. Why I can look for a buy? Because market is above this new week opening gap high. That is the only reason to look for buy. But if you look at this whole price action, you should not look for a buy until this parallel gap is not broken. If this parallel gap is broken, this last parallel gap is broken, you are good to go for the buy. Until the low of this last parallel gap, you are good to go for the buy. Here, if I force the market, if I see something very clean over here, very nice setup, maybe I will look for a buy. But buying is not highly opportunity or highly precise over here. If you are in rush, you can look for a buy. No sell is valid. No sell is valid. If you'd love to take a sell from there, no worries, you can go for that if you find any kind of sell setup, but that sell should be until this high of this new opening gap. Okay, what is that about? But I don't know how, brother, but right now I'm not able to give anything to contribute. So my only goal is to clear your accounts in these 2 months and then start pulling in for. No, what are you talking about, guys? Is that anything about money? Please don't do that, okay? I'm gonna ask money from all of you guys when and if you can earn 200k US dollar. I am going to ask money from you. Okay, I will ask, brother, help me, give me $10,000. But it is going to happen after you will earn 200k. Before that, I'm not gonna take any kind of. I mean, if you do something like that, I mean, I don't know actually what you are guys talking about. But if it is about money, please don't do that. Please don't do that. If you think that okay, I'm asking for the money, yeah, I will stop that membership, I will stop that PayPal, I will stop that from everything, I will stop. But I'm not interested to get your money, that's for sure. And it's clear, I believe that there is nothing you know nobody can hire me. Okay, nobody can hire me. Okay, skate rates, there's no one who can hire me, at least not in this world. So please don't think like that way. I will be here. I will try my level best because I love this. I'm a chart addicted. If I can manage a night job every single day, I will be here, and I'll try my level best to be here. I believe that maybe some days I won't be able, but then I will obviously find a way to come back again in front of my chart so that I can do the stream as well. I am not gonna promise you, but I will try my level best. So don't worry, I am not going to be disappear from until making you 200k profitable trader, until making you that. So when you will make that 200k US dollar, I will ask money from you, brother, give me $10,000, $5,000, $2,000, and you will feel nothing to give me that money. Because when you will be able to that earn that 200k, you can simply keep earning the money. Trust me, brother. And in that time, you don't even give a shit to give me $10,000. You will say, brother, you need 100,000. I'm gonna give you that because earning money from this market, just nothing, just nothing. All you have to do, just follow the rules I'm telling you. No buy is valid, no sell is valid. If you can just understand this small part, you are going to start earning from there, from this bullshit market. It's very easy to trade. Even you don't need to trade around that area, just believe over here the way I explain the price action over there. Every single time I will frame a setup, 95% of the time you will see that my target is going to hit. I get a stop out because of my very tight stop loss. You don't need to put your stop loss too tight. Put your stop loss in a logical level where you have learned from ICT, above the swing high, which is the most logical level. Put it over there. You are not going to be stopped out. My stop loss is different because I love to trade like that way. So that's why sometimes I get stopped out. But 95 out of 100 trade, you will see that 95 trade hit my target without hitting the stop loss. If I put my stop loss in a logical place, it's not gonna hit my stop loss. So I hope that you will get my point. Okay, please don't make it any more difficulties. Don't make any kind of difficulties. Skip trades. Okay, I mean, I'm telling you because I saw your comment. I will never charge you money. If you guys have really the problem, yeah, I will stop that membership things. I will stop this PayPal things. I will stop this, just tell me. I will stop everything. I don't need your money. I'm sorry if you think that uh, I'm rude, but it's true, brother. I'm not here to get your money, to take your money. I'm just here so that I can travel all of the world. Yeah, that is my intention to make you profitable so that I can visit your country, buy your money. You wanna say me selfish? Yeah, I'm selfish, but I would love to do that. I will make you 200k profitable trader. Then I will visit your country, buy your money. It's my intention. You wanna forget me? No worries. You can forget me. I will ask you. I'm just waiting to see what is happening over here. Okay. So far, I can see that market has traded that last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It has closed inside this new week opening gap. Is the buy valid? No, because market is inside this new week opening gap. So buy is not valid. Sell valid? No, because market is inside this new week opening gap. So I'm just waiting to see that if market can give me another opportunity or not. If it doesn't give me that, I'm cool. I'm not gonna do anything. Is the sell valid? I can force the market to take the sell. I can force, okay, but trust me, it's gonna be highly risky. So I should not do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that because if I'm wrong, then you guys start to judge me. You will forget that beautiful price action. You will forget that. You will start to talk about this one. So I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, it's a selling opportunity for me. Okay, to be honest. Don't push your button because if I thought this is the high probability, I would push my button. As I am not seeing this is a high probability, I'm not gonna push my button, and I would love to see how beautifully it work or not. Okay. Here I don't need to mark this parabolic gap. I don't need to mark this parabolic gap as it has traded this new opening gap high. I just don't need to mark this parabolic gap. Okay. I would love to see this order block is going to hold the price and market is going to close below this line. Body should close below this line. Nicola Bruno, when you get sick, you go to a doctor. When you want to learn trading, you seek out and expert trader is equal to 2. Okay, that's a good comment. Thank you, brother. Bruno then donate. No, I guess, guys, I'm not clear to all of you. As I told, please skip that topics. Please skip that topics. Okay, about donating, I'm not gonna take your money. That's for sure. Okay, I believe that my thing is clear. It has closed below this line, so that is a perfect thing for me to feel that market is now falling. At the same time, it tapped to this 50% of that new week opening gap. That's why I told that it's not a high probable sell, because if it hold the price, market can keep going higher. That is why it's very difficult to frame the setup inside the new week opening gap. But as I told you, this is the FOMO or something like that. If you want to skip it, just put it over there. Your stop loss should be there. Your target should be this last parameter from 1 minute chart. This last parameter. Not a good trade. 24 handle just for 7 handle stop loss. I didn't push my button because if it doesn't work, you will start to judge me. You will start to judge me. Okay, that's why I didn't push my button. But this is logical. Why it's logical? Because market failed to close above this new week opening gap. At the same time, it has traded that last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. It should reach until this area. This is why it's logical to me. All I need to see, this constant encroachment should be broken. If it is broken, it will keep falling. Over here, it has closed below this low. I'm really feeling so good over there. So good over there. Okay. So try to understand this part, this small part. If you can understand this small part, you will get a lot of things from here as well. Okay. This entry is actually the entry that should be very small entry. Okay, something like that. You can see just 24 handle, and until this last parallel gap, if you are overzealous, then you can take a partial here and you can hold your trend until this low. In my opinion, you should close your trade when above this last parallel gap. Okay, above there, because your stop loss is just 7 handle. Just try to understand this logic. If you understand the logic, it's gonna be easier for you. I don't know how to say that. Guys, don't forget to push the like, I mean, sorry, subscription button. I can see it's 6640. I just need 10 more people. Just 10 more people. Look at the reaction from this constant encroachment. See the strongness over there. That's why it's highly risky to trade inside the new week opening gap. As I didn't frame anything, and that's why I just outlined that one. Okay, I just outlined that one. Now, why is it order block over here and not breaker block? Why you should look for the breaker block over there? First tell me why you should look for the breaker block. There is nothing that can make the breaker block over there. I mean, no rules for making the breaker block over there, at least not in my opinion. Why it is order block, I have no answer. As you, I can see that you are my member. Please watch the last stream, you will understand why that is the order block. Look at the reaction of this constant encroachment. See the reaction. Can you take that 7 handle risk for 24 handle profit? Can you take that risk? If you can, go for that. If you can't, then don't take that entry. Simple. Do you do that, brother? I would go for that. Do you take that buy? No, I didn't take that buy. Did you push your button over there? I would push my button over there. Now look over here. I'm telling this thing when market is going higher. So I'm not telling when market is falling. I'm not telling that. Yeah, I would go for that trade. But as you guys actually love to judge me, that's why I didn't push my button. I love to frame some setup where my stop loss is too small and I will be able to get a lot of profit from that small stop loss. So when it will tap over here, that last parallel gap, I will put my target over there if it can reach until that area. But first target is over here above until this last parallel. Right now market is trading this anti-parallel gap. I would love to see market reach until this last parallel gap. And if I get a stopped out, I'll take a very small loss, just 7 handle stop loss. Please don't push your button as I told you, it's not a high probability trade inside of this new week opening gap. It can be wrong. You have to understand the fact over here. My stop loss has just covered this order block and the new week opening gap high. My stop loss has covered both of those areas. So if I get stopped out, that is not illogical. Price is extremely bullish, so I get stopped out. I'll be very happy about that. Market should not go back again above this above this high or above that order block. Yeah, obviously it can trade the mean threshold of that order block. There is nothing wrong. So let me mark the mean threshold of that order block. It can reach until that mean threshold of that order block. So that is the mean threshold. Until that area, I'm okay. This is the mean threshold. If market close above this mean threshold, I'm in a problem, in a great danger. This is going to be my propulsion block now. Look at this candle. It is going to be my propulsion block now. But first, market has to close below that candle. Okay. If it can close below that candle, that is going to be my propulsion block. Here, this one. Now, if it can close below this one, then it's gonna be the consecutive propulsion block. We will see that. Okay, we will see that. Please don't say I'm not going to do this, because you will say, no brother, I have to do that. Okay, because I see the negative comment, and when I see the negative comment, I really don't understand why people do that. I really don't understand. I don't get it, because I'm doing everything over here just for your improvement. See, here I'm just sitting over here just for your improvement, and then you say something I don't like. It hurts me. Okay, it hurts me. To be honest, it hurts me. And by the way, you are not here to copy my trade as well. So you are here to learn. So the way I explained, you should just take that part. This reaction sent the price until this mean threshold. The reaction from that consequent encroachment of that new week opening gap. Now it should break through this consequent encroachment. It should go through this. It should close at least below this line. The body should close at least below this line. I don't know market is going to tap over here or not, but it should close below this line. If I see it just go below this line, then go higher again, closed above this line, that is called the liquidity taking. That means market has taken the liquidity, it is going higher again. Now I marked it as a order block, but that is not order block. Okay, this is the propulsion block. I don't have any opportunity to mark the propulsion block. I just marked it as a order block, but this is not order block. This is the propulsion block. Market should close below this line. Should close. Okay, if it just go below that low and then start to go higher again, my stop loss should be at the break even. Okay, there you go. It tapped to this last fair value gap. I can simply write down boom. Here, boom. Okay. Now what I will do, I will put my stop loss to the break even. Right now my stop loss is break even. I will hold my trade until this low of this weekly fair value gap. Sorry. Here, until this weekly fair value gap low. Why I am going to do that? Because I am expecting market will reach until that area. At the same time, look, it has taken the liquidity here, so it can go higher now. My stop loss is at the break even now. Okay, to the break even, exactly to the break even. If I get stopped out over here, I'm cool, right? Because I have already taken the partial. If you don't want to hold it until that area, no worries, close your trade over there. Still you are profitable. 24 handle just by taking 7 handle stop loss. 24 handle, isn't it huge, man? You can't hold your trade below this low. Below this new week opening gap low. You can't hold it. You can't do that. Look at the reaction. Okay, this is the way to use that. By the way, this is the breakaway gap from that specific setup, so market can simply okay, it has actually give me the another boom. So here I got 34 handle. Okay guys, I think it's better, I mean it's enough for one day, and from now to until 12 I'm not going to talk about this price action anymore. I have already explained everything, and the way I explained these lines, you can see that how beautifully tick by tick it has supported my levels. Okay, yeah, it went little higher of that mean threshold, little higher, still rejected from that mean threshold. Reaction from that constant crossment sent until the mean threshold, went lower, made this propulsion block, tapped this propulsion block, went lower, came until this area, last fair value gap. The reaction sent until this consonant crossment again, used that consonant crossment, boom, market went lower, where it is reaching for this, sorry, not that one, this is your sell side liquidity. From 15-minute chart, just wait to see if it can make this one as a bully bearish order block or not, this highest up close body close candle. Okay, because that is gonna be important for your PM session, I guess. Thank you guys for writing down boom. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for writing down boom. Can more people can write down boom? Can more people give me the likes? How many likes did I get? 162. I didn't get 170 likes, so I should stop for some moments so that I can get 170 likes. What else do you need, brother? To be honest, what else do you need? Brother, you didn't push your button. I told you I would push my button. Did I tell you I wouldn't push my button over there for that buy? I never go for that buy. But this sell, it is highly, I mean, probable setup, not a perfect setup, but highly probable setup. I explained the reason, the way it has traded until this last fair value gap. You know how to use this last fair value gap. Then the way it has closed below this new week opening gap high, the way it has been rejected from that new week opening gap high. Is it highly probable? No, it's not highly probable. But if you are mentally strong, that okay brother, I am able to catch that 700 loss, I know that if I'm wrong, I'm gonna stop over there, I'm not gonna touch this price action, then you can push your button over there until this high. If you are overzealous, you can hold it until this low. See this small run, don't go for that, don't go for that. Okay, then Thursday is distribution day, toward all-time high, and Friday retracing back into the weekly range. No, I don't think so. Like that way, IS price precise. I have already explained my weekly bias, so I'm bearish actually. I'm sorry, but I'm bearish. Okay. Thank you guys for writing boom. That is the only word I love. I get 6624242. Just need two more subs. Sorry, 8 more subscribers. Martin Navonti, bye idiot. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Tanya is also trading. I guess she's also in live, I guess. Toxic Bubba, I told that you should stop over here. Okay. Now, if you continue this thing, it's gonna be difficult for me to bear you. Okay. Please stop that conversation. That money conversation. Stop that, please, right now. I don't want to see any kind of comment according to that money issues. Please, it's a request to all of you. Okay. Be aware, not only Apex is a trade-weight issue, my forex funded futures and top step have problems too. Oh, okay. So you can see I got 6644 subscriber. Just need 6 more subscriber. That's my target. Okay. You can say that yeah, I'm greedy. I'm greedy for more people. I'm greedy for more people. Am I looking for buy? No, I'm not looking for buy. I'm looking for sell. But I'm not interested to frame any other trade for today. Okay, from 11:30 to 12, I would love to stay this time frame with you guys without the price action. So if anyone here to learn about the price action, you can leave the stream, because I'm not interested to talk about the price action anymore. That specific, this is small time frame. Okay, from here to here. So whatever price will do, I will just watch it, and I will just enjoy being with you guys. Okay. Price goes to Friday low now. That is my expectation, brother. It doesn't need to do that, but this line 2361, that is my expectation, that market should go at least until that line. Okay, that is my expectation. It doesn't need to do that, but my expectation is it's going for that. Okay, first I need to see one candle close below this new week opening gap, so that it can confirm that it's not the fake breakout, it's the confirmation. So until this line 2361, I really would love to look for the sell only. If market is above this new week opening gap, I will start to look for buy again, though I don't want to see that, to be honest. What is the 2431 20? Oh, okay, I marked it randomly. Okay, when market was over there, I was looking for a sell. I marked it randomly, just randomly. Okay, there is no level, this is just a random level. I try to mark this low, maybe this relatively equal lows. So I told that even if you are able to frame a sell setup from there, you are not going to hold your trade until this extreme liquidity. You should hold your trade until that liquidity. Okay, so it was a random level. I need to see that this is broken. So far this is the fake breakout, because just one candle has closed below this new week opening gap, one down close candle. So I need another candle close to get the confirmation, the breakout confirmation. Okay, so guys, I have 6645, just need 5 more guys. Push the subscription button, brother. 20 minutes, 5 more guys. I thought Tuesday job is to take Monday low or high, then its expansion on Tuesday and Wednesday. First it has to do the manipulation, brother. This is called manipulation. Market is doing the manipulation. So it has taken these highs. Why it didn't take that high, I explained that already at the beginning of my stream. I explained that why it didn't take that high. When it has taken that obvious liquidity, it should go for the Friday low now. Now Friday low is too far. I'm not interested to hold my trade until that. I mean, hold my thinking until that area. Instead of that, I would love to see market will take this sell side liquidity. What is that sell side liquidity? This is this sell side liquidity, but it's taken. That was taken by the week around the news time. I'm not seeing this is liquidity taken yet, so it's not liquidity. Still, this is the liquidity. So I'm gonna expect that market is going over there, but my whole concept will be changed. If market can close above this new week opening gap, then I will start to look for buy again. So this new week opening gap is gonna decide what is going to be my bias. I told that I'm not interested to talk about the price action until 12, and you guys are asking me the question. Please don't ask me the question. I don't want to talk about the price now. I would love to stay with you guys. Okay, let me check on my wife, since the wizard is not going to say anything about the price action. Yeah, Tahir. See you, brother. RK16. It was a nice stream for today. Thanks, bro. Have a good day, guys. Hey, RK. See you, brother. Out and ice price. Watch the start of the stream. Yeah, please watch the first part of this stream. You'll get it. Okay, guys. Let's do it. Subscribe. Just need 5 more people. Yeah, still 5 more people. If it hit my target, then I'll say that my whole target and the buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and the subscription target both are smashed. Anything about psychology? What do you want to know about the psychology? Psychology is when market is going higher, you should not take buy. When it is falling, you should not take sell. When it is going higher, you should not take buy. When it is falling, you should not take sell. No entry is valid around that area. That is called psychology. No entry is valid inside this new week opening gap. ICT told how to trade this new day opening gap. New week opening gap, high, constant cosment, low. How to trade them? Depending on that, I frame this sell setup. Trust me, brother, if you don't understand the whole thing over there, what is happening over there, you are going to hurt yourself. That's why I always suggest no entry is valid inside new week opening gap, new day opening gap. Okay. Subscriptions liquidity. Okay, Wizard and family, good night. Great stream again. Never doubt the wizard. Thank you, Outlander. Good night, brother. See you tomorrow, I believe. Okay. See you tomorrow. Do you personally trade better in AM or PM? AM session, brother. My favorite session is lunch hour. That's my favorite session. Now, that doesn't mean you are going to start to look for the setup around lunch hour. Please don't do it. My favorite session is lunch hour. My favorite macro is 1250 110 macro. Most of the time, I trade in morning session, just morning session. What else I can say? I love to trade around the news time, CPI, FOMC, around the news time. So just after the news, 1 minute after the news, or sometimes just before the news. I close my trade. Maybe I frame a trade around 8:28. I close my trade 8:29. That run, just 1 minute run. Sometimes, not always. Yeah, that's all, brother. Made $700, bro. Thank you. Okay, Balaji. That's cool, man. That's cool. Tito, why did you say you don't want to talk about the price from 11:30 to 12? Is there any reason for that? Okay, the thing is, I told that I don't like to frame any setup after 11:30. The reason is market is very near to lunch hour. That is for you guys. You should not look for any kind of setup. Okay, from 11:30 to 12. It's my opinion. Don't take it. You should not, because most of the time that is time distortion. That means market spend time to make the setup for lunch hour. That time distortion is really so difficult, and that is actually most of the time from 11:30 to 12. 11:50 actually, not the 12, 11:50. In that 20 minutes, you will see the worst price action ever. Okay. Again, that's my opinion, just my opinion. I don't think so that I'm going to get that 6650. I just need 5 more people, but I don't think so I'm gonna get it. Toxic. Just go to my YouTube channel, watch that water block video. I have made it long time ago. Water block video, breaker block video, everything I have already made, brother. Just go to my YouTube channel, search it from study section. You'll get that. Don't keep that in your mind, because our mind is something love to forget things. Okay, so write it down. I always tell you, please write it down. Never ever keep the information inside your mind. Instead, write it down. Is there anyone from Europe? Any country from Europe? Is there anyone who is in Europe? Any country. It can be Germany. It can be, Spain, France, Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland. Hey, new here. Hey, Mike. Welcome, brother. I know you are not discussing a price action right now, but are you done trading or will look for trades in your favorite macro? Around 12:50, if I am in front of my chart, yeah, I'll look for that trade. Okay, I am not sure yet, because I mean I am gonna close my session live streaming around 12. Okay, I'm gonna close it, but what I'm going to do, I don't know. Maybe I will watch a movie. Maybe. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Okay, I can see that some of you are here from, okay, France. Jack, you are from France. I know that. Uh, Manu, you're from Romania. Frank and Fruity, you are in Europe. Okay, in which country actually, brother? In Europe, which country? Taj, you are from UK. Okay, Scotland. Okay, see the pro. UK. I have already visited Scotland, France, UK. I have already visited all of them. English but live in Dubai. Oh, okay. Thank you for the great stream, bro. Take care. Bye bye. Max, where are you from? Just before leaving, let me know where are you from. Okay, where do you live? I'll wait for tomorrow again, brother. Please be on time. Okay, Pedro. I will try to be on time. I'm from India. Okay, Skitters, you're from India. In exactly in which state is Romania? Yeah, I know that you're from Romania, man. I spice US. You're from US. Okay. I never been in US. Yes, Greece. Okay, MF. You are my next target then. Maybe we are going to meet, brother. I am planning to go to Greece actually. Actually, if my uncle tell me that he's gonna manage a job for me in Greece, yeah, I'll be there in Greece next month. Yeah, Mystic, you are from Dubai. Okay, I will try to remember that. But will be South Korea starting January. Oh, okay. So I precise you are going to go to South Korea from US. That's cool. Christian, you are from Romania as well. Okay. I'm from India, brother. Okay. Thank you, brother. The sister, sorry, sister. In which state actually? Senji, you are from US. Okay. I need money with your analysis, bro. Yeah, I'm unable to do that. My analysis is not going to give you the money. Please don't do that. If I ever understand that someone is going to copy my trade, trust me, I will push my button with some wrong setup. You will never see that my target profit will hit. I will do that intentionally. Please don't do that. Don't copy my analysis. Just take it for your learning. Do your own analysis. If it match with me, go for that. Don't take my analysis as your analysis. Okay. 6646. Just four more people. Just four more people. 12 minutes left. Let's see if I can hit 50 or not. Oh man, I'm gonna give you the best price action ever. Push the subscription button. Don't make me wrong about my subscription, target. Don't make me wrong. If he asked about Europe, yep, I was asking about Europe. If anyone is from Europe or not, okay. Romania, okay. Andre Oltian, you are from Romania, okay. I have a plan to visit Romania. I didn't visit Romania yet. I guess we need the visa to visit Romania because it's not in Shenzhen. So far I know actually. I'm from Telangana state in India, brother. Oh, okay. I have a plan to visit Kerala. I love Kerala. Where are you from? Dhaka. I'm from Bangladesh and I'm from Khulna, just near the mangrove forest or Bay of Bengal. It's very near from my home, the mangrove forest and both the Bay of Bengal. I'm from Khulna. Where in Greece you will be? Will it be one of the island? I don't know, Jency. I don't know. It all will depend on the job. So I don't know. I just asked for a job to my uncle. He is a citizenship over there. He's been over there for a long time now. So he told that he's trying to manage a job for me. So wherever I will get that job, I'll be over there. I just need a job. That's all. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. That's cool. One day I will visit over there. Tamil Nadu is a really so beautiful area as well. USA. Strike, you are from USA. It's cool. Never been in USA. Is there anyone from Canada actually? Looking forward to your PM session videos. God bless you. See you, brother. See you, sister. See you, sister. I guess tomorrow we will meet again. Mike, Mike, sister, I hope you subscribe, brother. If someone didn't subscribe, they can't comment over here. So if you want to comment, then you have to subscribe. From Kerala, yo, Muhammad Arif. Okay, brother, I will remember your name. You're from Kerala. I love to visit Kerala. Romania is big, bro. I'm from North. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Frank and Fruity. Salam, brother from Kerala. Okay, Frank and Fruity, you are also from Kerala. School. Once you get to Greece, you need to sponsor me. I wanna move to Europe. Okay, I'm not able to sponsor anyone because I'm not a citizenship. I'm waiting for the citizenship, but I'm not a citizenship yet. So I'm not able to sponsor anyone. Let us know when you are planning to come India, brother. I guess end of this year because I didn't visit. I have visited 31 countries, but I didn't visit the India because they didn't give me the visa. So yeah, I'm gonna visit that. In, আমার একটু কানে ওষুধ দিতে হবে আমি আসতেছি 10 মিনিট পরে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আম্মা 8 মিনিট পরে লাইভ শেষ আচ্ছা I'm not interested to talk about this price action. I mean, I'll just let it go, and we will see around the PM session what is going to happen. Oh, I forgot. Okay, SK Trades. Let us know when you are planning to come India, brother. Yeah, I'll let you know, brother. What do you like about Kerala? I like the coconut tree and the weather. I mean the natural beauty of the Kerala. The natural beauty, the way that there is a boat in Kerala. Uh, how to explain this one? I mean, there's some river where people actually use the boat to travel from one place to another place, and that rivers are surrounded by the coconut tree. Oh man, I watched that in movie, and that is my dream to visit Kerala, to to visit those areas. I'm from Canada. Okay, Dimar Swak, you are from Canada. We'll meet very soon. We'll meet very soon, brother. I guess next year in February, I'll be in I'll be in Canada. I mean, not for so long, maybe maximum for 7 days. I live in Toronto. Okay, my plan to visit in Manitoba actually, Manitoba, Winnipeg. Okay, see you, brother. Manu, when I 100K, I will welcome you with Pelinsa. What is that Pelinsa? From Kerala, which place? Okay. Have you visited South Korea? No, I didn't. I never been in Korea, China, or Japan. No, I never been over there. I mean, in Asia, I have visited Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand. Uh, then yeah, these three country. I guess I have visited these three country. Yeah, only these three: Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia. In Asia, out of Asia, I have been in Dubai, Qatar. Then the what is that? Turkey, like yeah, in Middle East I have visited these three countries, I guess. Dubai, Qatar, Turkey, and there was another Kuwait, and rest of the countries are from Europe. I am planning to visit all over the world. Islam, yeah, Islam, all over the world. Here always welcome to Kerala. You need to see nature. Yeah, man, I love Kerala. I would love to visit there. Do you have any uh, restrictions? What is dietary restrictions? I don't know what is dietary restrictions in LFP. Okay, houseboat. Yeah, houseboat. Absolutely, Madhuk. Houseboat. Yeah. Good. Gold, please. I'm not interested to talk about the price action right now. I'm just waiting for 12 p.m. to see how it is going to close. Then I'm gonna close my session. That's why I'm just reading your comment. As I told, if you wanna leave, you can leave right now. 6646. Still, it's 6646. Just need four more people. I'm from Slovenia. I never been in Slovenia. Get nice beef in Kerala. Okay. Before I mean going over there, don't forget to let me know what is actually famous over there so that I can eat. I'm a food lover. Really, I'm a food lover. Okay. Mayank, I'm not gonna do that right now, brother. To be honest, I'm done. Okay. I'm done with the price action for today. Why you travel a lot? Is trading your only income source? It was my only income source, but now for last 2 months, 2 to 3 months, I don't know exactly what is the time limit, but last 2 to 3 months, I stopped trading and I stopped using money, trading money from the middle of 2023. From the middle of 2023, I have stopped using trading profit. Trader will see our local alcohol drink. Okay, I don't drink, brother. It's haram. Okay, I don't drink. I'm from Moldova. Where is it, Igor? Moldova. Is it in Europe? Moldova. I don't know where is it actually. If you like coconut trees and river concept, then should visit Andhra State too. Okay, I didn't know that. Korean American. Andhra. Okay, Andhra. I will keep that in my mind. Foods you cannot eat, like meat. Okay, you have to go to Guana. Where is it? Or Ghana? I guess it's Ghana. We will come in Morocco, brother. I'll be there. If you earn that money, I'll be there. To be honest, I'll be there. Okay, that's meat. Okay. CT2, can you live on PM for member? No, I'm not gonna do that. I will do the live session for members only in Friday PM session. No pork. Yeah, no pork. Obviously, no pork, no alcohol. How long I have been you trading? I'm trading. I'm profitable from 2022. I'm profitable, okay, but I'm trading for too long now. But I guess that is not important. But I'm profitable from 2022. Is west of Romania. Okay, Moldova is the neighbor west of Romania. That's cool. Guyana. Okay, Guyana. Ghana. We called it Ghana, I guess. Visit Kenya. Kenya is also a beautiful country. Actually, I love cricket, so I know Kenya. They were very good at cricket at once. Okay, so I know the Kenya. It's a very nice country as well. Since we are selling South India to T2, he should know Karnataka. Karnataka is best. Karnataka. Okay, I should know that. How long with ICT concept? ICT concept. I'm from 2018, end of 2018. Not from the beginning, end of 2018. I'm with ICT concepts. Say weekly forecast analysis. Please add Bitcoin chart. Okay, I don't trade the Bitcoin. I don't trade the crypto. I don't trade the crypto, brother. You have to understand, when I don't know a specific chart, I just can't explain the price action over there. I'm just unable to do that. This is the chart which is I'm familiar. I'm familiar with this chart, so I can feel the price. But Bitcoin, I'm not familiar with that chart, so I'm unable to do that. So I'm sorry. Okay, crypto I don't trade. Okay, Guyana is in South America. My pronunciation is bullshit. I know that. I guess I mispronounced the name of Guyana or Ghana, or what is it is. But if anyone is from there, just send me this invitation. I'll be there after earning that 200K. I'll be there. Okay. So guys, before closing that session, I would love to um, do the advertisement one more time. You can see this Apex discount code over there. Uh, if you can see it actually, the Apex has 80% offer. The code is there. I prefer that 150K, which is gonna cost only $40. The all-time fees is gonna be $85. Okay, so if you would love to trade through Apex, don't forget to use that discount code. At the same time, if any of you are interested to trade the my funded futures, they have a better opportunity. 50k account just for $76. You can say $80, but if you use that code T2 Wizard, then it's gonna be $76. If you fail to pass it, it's gonna cost $50. If you use the same code again, T2 Wizard, it's gonna give you 5% discount again. My advice to go for 150k, it's up to you. Just don't forget to use that T2 Wizard code. You will get both link and the code in my description. To the top of the screen, to the top of the screen, you can see that left corner Bulenox, which has 83% off. The code is T2 Wizard. Okay, so if you would love to use that Bulenox, you can use that code as well. So guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for joining with me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for everything. Okay, I hope that we will meet tomorrow. Until then, cheers.